Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel extra space storage subscription, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your extra space storage subscription. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Method 1. Cancel extra space storage subscription in person. First, visit your nearest self-storage center and inform the front desk staff that you want to cancel your subscription. When you go to the facility where your storage unit is located during business hours, in order to complete the cancellation process, you may need to complete any required paperwork or forms in addition to providing your account information and identification to verify your identity. And they will help you in cancellation. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel extra space storage over the phone. One of the easiest and most direct ways to contact the extra space storage team is by making a call to the extra space storage customer service team and telling them to cancel your subscription for you. You can make a call on their customer service number at 8885869658 and wait for their team member to connect you on a call. You will need to provide your account information and proof of identification once you are connected to a representative in order to establish your identity. Tell the representative that you want to cancel your subscription after you've verified your identity. They will help in cancelling your subscription. And you are done. By using this method, you can easily cancel your extra space storage membership. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.